getting ready to do our final planting for the year, but while we're waiting on that, I thought I would show you some different species of trees. And in this video I wanted to show you the Kalantas tree. I'll start off with the seedlings that we will plant here in a little bit. So these are fairly small seedlings. You can see they don't look overly, they look sick, but it doesn't look necessarily overly robust either. This is about how our seedlings looked last year also. I'll take you around and I'll show you, it was almost 1 year ago exactly that we planted these, so I'll show you the growth of some of these. People often are looking for faster growing trees, especially when they're first starting out, to get some shade. Also, they want to see results quickly, and Kalantas is one tree that's very fast growing native Philippine tree. So here's our first specimen here. It's probably about, I don't know, 7 feet tall, maybe 6.5 feet tall. Grown quite a bit. This one right here has been the fastest growing one. I think it's probably about 9 feet tall, and it's down, the diameter at the bottom is already pushing probably 2.5 or 3 inches. These trees are self-pruning, so you can see these marks here where as the tree's grown, the bottom branches have fallen off. So you don't really have to worry about pruning it, just keeping the weeds down around it. Let's go check out a couple others here. This one's a Mugis. That's another fairly fast growing tree. Another Kalantas, about my height now. Around 6 feet, a little under 6 feet. We'll stop by this one here. Look at this. This is Toona, or Philippine rosewood tree. These leaves are quite large already. It's maybe about, I think about 4 feet tall. These are just starting to take off now. The one that's down here is about 5 feet tall. So I'm guessing in another year, these are supposed to also be fast growing, but I'm guessing in another year they'll be pretty big trees. Here's our next Kalantas tree. Probably about 7 feet tall, maybe 6.5, 7 feet tall. Now, not all of them grow that fast. So one of the issues with if you're looking into tree farming is most places around the world you have genetic, you don't have that much genetic variation in the trees that people plant for tree farms. So our goal here isn't to get that. We want to have genetic variation, but you're also going to get varying results from that. So as you can see right here, not all of the trees grew very fast, but this one's actually starting to kind of take off, because just a couple weeks ago it was pretty low. So I have a feeling it just needed to get established a little more, get its roots spread out, and over the next couple of months I have a feeling it'll take off pretty quickly. So we'll keep you updated on that. Kalantas tree is actually a relative of Mahogany. That's in the same family as Mahogany, so its seeds are going to look similar to that, but it is a native tree, and the wood of this tree is supposed to be nicely scented. They use it for cigar boxes, furniture. It's supposed to be a really nice tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll have more on the different species we have, and we'll see you soon. See ya.